Kev G with a weather overview. How you doing on a Sunday? Hope you had a great St. Patrick's Day weekend. And this is the temperatures for the rest of the day, courtesy of NOAA. We should be around 50 degrees this time of year. We just can't seem to get there in a consistent way. Temperatures have been stuck in the 40s for a good part of last week, and I fear that the same thing is going to happen this week with, maybe one or two exceptions. But, our temperatures are going to continue to be below where they should be for this time of year. In fact, in the month of March, the temperature, with respect to the normal temperature, it goes up exponentially. I mean, you start in the beginning of the month where the normal temperature should be around 40, and by the end of the month, the normal temperature should be in the mid to upper 50s. But we're nowhere near that, and I think that basically that's going to be the moral of the story with respect to this week's weather. Now, we have to watch out for some storms, but it looks like they're going to remain to our south. If we take a look at the latest run of the GFS model, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, by Monday afternoon, we still got a cold flow over the area, sunny skies, but we've got this northerly wind, which is going to keep our temperatures in check and into the 40s. Now we've got this first storm that goes off to the south Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night, and you can see the precipitation from the storm doesn't even really make it into central New Jersey. You got to be in far southern New Jersey to get any sort of rain or snow from this system. And then that goes out, and then another storm develops very, very close to the area Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, but the model wants to take it out to sea. And I think that that's been pretty consistent over the last couple of days as I've been monitoring the various models, and that's basically what I'm seeing right now. So if there's any changes, I'll have to let you know. But from this point on, I think that everything kind of stays to the south. This storm spins around on Thursday, well out at sea, but our weather will be windy and chilly due to the fact that the storm is going to be pulling away and high pressure is going to be reasserting itself. As we go late into the period, into Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, another weak system dives down, and this might try to give us some light snow or rain-snow mix for Saturday night into Sunday. But overall, the pattern is chilly. Temperatures, as I said, just not where they should be. Now, if we look at the upper air scenario out to about March 26th, this is next Monday, off the European model, it looks as though the cold regime that's in place now, it sort of wants to get kicked out of here, so that by the time we get into Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, we might actually get into some warmer weather and actually might bump our temps up in a consistent manner to where they should be this time of year. But if we take a look at Weather Underground, you could see that our temperatures are decidedly below normal through at least Thursday. Then we try to get near normal for the weekend, but for the most part, it's still below where we should be for this time of year. So a reluctant spring takes shape this week with below normal temperatures and a couple of near misses with some storms to our south.